Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted photos on Google Gemini. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Gemini app. Make sure you're signed into the account where your images were created or uploaded. Once the app opens, you'll be ready to check your saved images. Now, tap the two horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the navigation menu. This menu gives you access to different sections of your Gemini account, including your generated content. Next, tap the Images section to view the images associated with your account. If you've generated images with Gemini or uploaded images that are still available, they'll appear here for easy access. If the image is still available in your Images section, simply open it and download it to your device. This is the easiest way to save any images that haven't been permanently removed from your account. If you don't see the image in your account, it means it has likely been permanently deleted. Unfortunately, permanently deleted photos cannot be recovered through Google Gemini, so only images that are still stored in your account can be downloaded. And that's how you can check for and recover available photos in Google Gemini. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.